Everybody? Okay, now. So basically, when we talk about distance displacement, that's understood. Let's go one step ahead and move towards the understanding of what is speed and what is basically velocity. So whenever I am going to, first thing before, as a prerequisite, I want to again tell you is that whenever we use the word rate, means you are dividing something by time, okay? So speed is basically the rate of change in distance, means basically change in distance, okay? Which means it is distance divided by time. So the word rate automatically means that you are basically dividing it by time. So what is going to be velocity? Rate of change in displacement, okay? When we talk about displacement, the velocity, the SI unit is meter per second. And similarly for speed, the SI unit is the same because you're dividing the distance by a time, meters divided by seconds. Brings us to a fact that basically speed is a scalar quantity because it has no direction and is always positive because direction is something in physics that's denoted by negative sign. And velocity is a vector, can basically cause the velocity to be positive, or it can also be excuse me, negative. But this is a very important fact over here that we need to understand regarding distance displacement, velocity, speed, in the form of a triangle as well. So basically the formula triangles are very very important. So for example, if I say this is my distance, okay, this is going to be my speed, and this is going to be my time. I called it the dust triangle, D being on the top. So whatever is basically on the top, if I want to find the speed, it's going to be the this is important now, distance divided by the time, because this is on the top and this is on the bottom. But if I want to find the formula from the same triangle of distance, because now the speed and time are not above one another, they will be multiplied. So distance is speed times time. Whereas when I talk about the understanding of calculating time, then it gets distance divided by the speed. So the distance being on the top becomes the numerator, speed being on the bottom becomes the denominator. Three formulas are possible from this triangle then, which is distance is equals to speed times time, and speed is basically equals to distance divided by time, and time is equals to the distance divided by the speed, that way. Now so there are two questions that I'm showing on the screen right now. Try these two questions yourself. Calculate how long it takes for a car to reach the destination if it is traveling 12 kilometers at 15 meter per second. Question number two, calculate how far a person can walk at 8 meter per second if he keeps walking for 10 minutes. You are given 5 minutes to do these two questions now, please.